Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best tankless water heater electric indoor you can get your hands on right now. The WINTEMP 18kW electric tankless water heater. If you're tired of running out of hot water or waiting for it to heat up, this product might be exactly what your home needs. Let's unpack why this unit is a game changer for modern households. Imagine stepping into a hot shower on a chilly morning, and the water is instantly warm. No waiting, no fluctuating temperatures. That's what the WINTEMP 18kW delivers. With its on-demand heating system, it can produce up to 4.3 gallons of hot water per minute. That's powerful enough to supply hot water for your entire home, including multiple bathrooms, a washing machine, and even the kitchen, all running simultaneously. This makes it ideal for mid to large-sized families who need hot water consistently, without delay. The design of the WINTEMP water heater is compact and sleek, freeing up valuable space that a traditional bulky tank would otherwise consume. It's wall-mountable, which means it can be installed discreetly indoors, whether in a utility closet, under a sink, or even in a tight bathroom corner. And because it operates at 240 volts with 18,000 watts of heating power, it ensures energy efficiency by only heating water when it's needed, unlike old-school tanks that constantly keep water hot. One standout feature is the smart LED temperature display. It allows you to easily monitor and adjust the water temperature to your liking, from lukewarm to steaming hot, with just a touch. No guesswork, no surprises. Now here's where it gets even smarter: Wi-Fi control. Yes, this unit connects with your smartphone, giving you remote access to adjust temperature settings, turn the unit on or off, and monitor usage stats. It's a fantastic feature for tech-savvy homeowners who want convenience and control right at their fingertips. The WINTEMP 18kW is ETL certified, ensuring it meets high safety and performance standards. It also comes with multiple protection mechanisms like dry heating protection, overheating protection, and leakage protection, so you can enjoy your hot water with peace of mind. From a performance standpoint, it's engineered for durability and built with premium materials designed to resist scaling and corrosion, which means lower maintenance and longer service life. And with its quiet operation, you'll hardly even notice it's running. Installation should be handled by a qualified electrician and plumber too. Ensure it's properly connected to your home's electrical and water systems, but once set up, it's basically a plug-and-play solution to your hot water needs. So, to wrap it up, if you're looking for an energy-efficient, smart, compact, and reliable water heater for your entire home, the WINTEMP 18kW tankless electric water heater ticks all the right boxes. No more cold showers, no more waiting, just pure, instant hot water, whenever you need it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed breakdowns on top-rated home products. See you in the next video.